Can you sing a song for Babysitting?
Oh my God, that's the way the night and day, la 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 la.
That's for Christmas. Kalay mo ka na kay.
I always start to put the king say on my back. I'm always sorry.
It's okay. Don't be sorry. Sorry siya guys kasi hinahanap namin yung car keys. Ayan. Diyan niya pala nilagay sa kanyang bag na puno ng mga abubots. Sabi niya, I'm very sorry. You don't have to be sorry, na. You're forgiven though.
I didn't mean it.
You didn't mean it.
Because I didn't mean it to put my car keys inside. I'm really sorry. And I love you.
Aww, honey, why are you so sweet? Good morning, princess. Good morning. Kanina pa yan siya nagising. But then, Daddy Mike held her. Nakatulog siya ulit. Hey, shush! Wakey na, oh. Wakey na? Huh? It's morning time now. Yes. Wakey na. It's milky time. Oh, poo. Poo. Hello, Ate Paris.
Hello.
Hi. Here.
Hello.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome back.
Our channel. And nothing to this. My first favorite ever.
No, careful, no? I might hit Babysitting. That's okay. That's alright. So, good morning, everyone. It is, 9:30 na pala ng umaga. It is Tuesday. Oh, it's our anniversary, right? Happy anniversary.
I was about to say happy anniversary.
Hindi talaga anniversary, guys. Every 28th of the month, parang nagsiselebrate kami ni Daddy Mike kasi 28th kami ng June. Naging on. Kaya every 28th, nagsasabi talaga kami ng happy anniversary, happy monthsary. Anak, come here sa anak, babe. Come here sa, quick. Quickie. Come on. Oh, sweetie. Oh. Yeah. Tingnan nyo, oh. Kanyang yeah. How do you call this one, Nak?
It's a perfect. It's best done.
Are you sure? Ay, paiyak-iyak na. Ayan, padali ko na yan siya, guys, kasi it's time for Milky Way. So, yung plano namin ngayon, guys, is nakapag-bihis na pala ako because I am taking Ate Paris sa kanyang paaralan. Morning, princess. Oh, didi na lang, didi. Okay, magdidi na lang. Ay, shush, magdidi. Padidihin ko na lang. So, pinapadali ko na to siya, guys, kasi napag-desisyon na namin ni Daddy Mike. Well, actually, si Daddy Mike talaga yung nakapag-isip. Gusto niyang ilagay si Baby Celine sa yung Baby Biona, yung carrier ba? Careful, agoy. Get the ball. Kasi kahapon, yun yung ginawa niya. We think, na sobrang nagustuhan ni Baby Celine ba? Komportable siya doon. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, ako na lang daw yung maghahatid kay ate. Tsaka, iiwan ko yung ating baby girl as long as nakapag-daddy na siya. So, hindi siya iiyak. Ano? Yummy.
Ready? Go!
Kasi I feel na ngayon, medyo may routine na kami. I think yan yung kinailangan namin before. Di ba before, paiyak-iyak sa Baby Celine, ganito, ganyan. But ngayon, meron na kaming routine, like daily routine ba. Hindi talaga siya perfect, guys. There's no such thing as perfect, but at least meron siya. So, at least pag ganitong oras, pinapadede ko siya, tapos nalakad-lakad, yung mga ganun ba. So, parang nasanay na siya. So, as long as busog to siya, tapos, iwan ko kay Daddy Mike. Hindi naman, hindi naman matagal kasi i-drop ko lang itong isa.
I don't know.
Ay, burp. Burp. Do you want to put that on your head now? It's so cute. Come on, you look so beautiful. Babysitting. Paano kaya kami makakaalis dito ngayon? Yung tatay niya nasa meeting na. Siya, tita, dito. It's beautiful. Wow.
Turning around.
You're so silly. You're so silly. Hapon nga, kasi ginamit ni Daddy Mike yung carrier. Sobrang natulog lang si Baby Celine. Very comfortable siya. Pumunta kami ng shops, naglakad-lakad kami papuntang shops. Hanggang sa nakauwi kami, wala talagang iyak na narinig. Kasi nga sabi nila pag carrier, di ba, mas close yung baby sa'yo kaysa yung nasa pram. So, more comfortable sila. Kaya nagustuhan ni Daddy Mike. At gusto din niya ni Daddy Mike, guys. Kaya siya nga talaga yung nagbili ng carrier. Kasi ganyan yung ginagawa niya before kay Baby Paris. Ate Paris na pala. Are you Ate Paris na?
No.
Ate Paris, come here. Come here. Sit down here. Wait. Sit down here. Come here. Who's your best friend at school?
Mary and
Who?
Oda.
Who?
Mary and Lee and Oda.
3 of them.
Yeah.
Yeah. Who's your favorite teacher?
Caroline.
Caroline?
Yeah.
Why? Why is she your favorite teacher? Can you tell Mama?
Cause they love me.
Because she loves you?
Yeah, they love me.
Wow, that's good. I'm glad to hear that your teacher loves you. How about Sula?
Oh yes, I forgot.
You forgot?
I forgot Sula.
Does she love you too?
Yeah, he's too.
That's good. Who else?
Tiffany's good.
Tiffany's good?
Yes, Tiffany's beautiful.
Who?
Beautiful.
She's beautiful?
Yeah, beautiful.
Wow, really?
Yeah, and they love me.
She loves you? That's good. Do you like Tiffany's hair when it's braided? Remember when she's got beautiful hair? Hmm? Your hair is beautiful too. Tingnan nyo, ginanyan lang yan kasi hindi maniliguan. We'll have a shower tonight, ha?
Nighttime.
Nighttime. Yes. Nighttime. Katulog na naman si Baby Silna. Ikaw nakbi, agay.
Okay.
Agay.
Okay.
Minsan, ginagaya ako ni Paris, guys. Pag nanonood siya ng TV, tapos may nangyari na something, sinasabi, hala! My shush, baby, beautiful girl. Do you love your sister na?
Yeah.
Aww. That's cute. You say, aw, kabi.
Aw, cute.
Aw, alam na kayo. Bilahin buhok na. Mura na siya kagwakwak na.
My person
Yeah. You dropped it. Go get it.
I can't feel it.
Mm-hmm.
I can't feel it.
It's there. Told you.
Maya.
Told you. Give me the camera na kabi. I'm gonna show Baby Celine. Please.
Can you close?
Thank you.
And then for over.
There she is. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she beautiful? Isn't she beautiful, baby? Hello, Tubby face. Hello, Tubby face.
What?
Say hi to Tita and Tito.
Maya.
Hello, everyone.
Maya.
Hello, everyone. I'm a big girl now. Have a look at me.
Maya.
Have a look at me.
Maya. Maya.
Tumatawa na pala siya ngayon, guys. Sobrang naano ako.
Maya. Look at this.
Oh, you're silly. Sobrang, sumasaya ako, guys, kapag nakikita ko siyang tumatawa na sa akin, pag kinakausap ko siya. Kasi nga, diba, ano na siya ngayon, 6 weeks. So, nakikita na ako.
Maya.
Can you see Mama na? Can you see Mama na?
Maya.
That's not the bag you're taking to school. Ano? The other one.
Which one?
The big pink one.
Just one?
Nakabihis na pala ang tatay mo na. Sobrang excited yan siya, nak. No. Hey, so you gonna go with Daddy in the baby one? I
Maya.
love you. You love me.
It is gluey.
Bluey. Can you sing a song for Babysitting?
Oh my God. That's away the night and day. La 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 la.
That's for Christmas. Kalay mo ka na kay.
Now I sing it again.
Okay, sing it again.
Happy Christmas. La la
La la la la la la la la la.
A few moments later.
What's her name? You didn't tell us her name. You gotta give her a name.
I don't know.
Pick one.
Pink one.
No, pick one. You wanna call her Pinky? Pinky the pig? You wanna call her Oink Oink the pig?
Hello, titas and titos.
Huh? You wanna call her Oink Oink?
No.
What do you wanna call her?
I just changed my clothes so I can go with Daddy for a walk.
Pretty the pig.
Hi.
It's pink.
Very quiet ang ating baby girl. Hello.
Pretty the pig. So her legs.
Her legs up now. Before it was.
It's okay.
Now it has. That's how it should be.
Is it no?
Shush, yawning.
Love you. Da 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 da.
Hang on, get your hat.
I got some really cool back.
Can you put the dough up or not? Not really.
That's give her first. Say from the
Alright, better start walking. Is that okay?
You have to check her all the time, huh?
Better start walking so I can see.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello, Daddy.
Hello, everyone. She's falling asleep now too. Just be careful with this one here, Baba. Just keep your finger here, Baba. Your thumb. Yay! I'm going for a walk with my daddy. She's falling asleep.
Let's go.
Hi.
Tito's gotta. Tito's say, Tito, can I have my pig, please?
Kiss Mama, baby.
Can I have the pig, please?
You be a good girl,
I'll
okay?
bring it right away.
Oh, right. So I bring it right away because you've been a good girl.
Kiss baby Celine.
It's because I love my toy.
Kiss baby Celine.
Get a little closer.
Good girl.
Kiss Daddy.
On the side, knock on the side.
I love you, sweetheart. You're a good girl. Kiss
I love
Daddy.
you, Anna. Okay.
See you soon.
You call me if ever, okay?
Hey.
Where are you going?
Huh?
I'm going to...
He's going for a walk. He was going for a walk so Celine can sleep.
But don't make me sleepy.
Wait, enough. We're gonna get. Where did you put the key, Bob? The car key? You found it yesterday?
I left it on the table there. So
Which table?
did you move it? There's that table there.
I'll get it.
Find it. Okay.
Love you.
Enjoy.
Enjoy the clean car.
Enjoy. Daddy,
Yeah.
be mindful ba?
I'm really sorry.
What is it now?
I'm really sorry about putting the... I'm really sorry to put the key inside of my bag. I'm really sorry.
It's okay. Don't be sorry. Sorry siya guys kasi hinahanap namin yung car keys. Ayan. Diyan niya pala nilagay sa kanyang bag na puno ng mga abubots. Sabi niya, I'm very sorry. You don't have to be sorry, na. You're forgiven though.
I didn't mean it.
You didn't mean it.
Because I didn't mean it to put my car keys inside. I'm really sorry. And I love you.
Aww, honey, why are you so sweet?
Cause I've been eating.
Give Mama B a kiss. Just love you. I love you too very much. You know that? You know that?
Yeah, you're going on.
Come on, let's go now. Come on, get your bag. We are going na, everyone. Be sure me what na to pakita mo outfit na. Tita and tito. Hello, you have to take your bag out, nak.
Okay.
First. Good girl.
I'll put it down there.
Okay. And then I'll strap you in, okay?
Oh no, I will do it. I'm really good.
Sige na, sige na, mabalik.
A few moments later.
I'm going inside school now.
You wanna go inside now? So, time check, it's now 11 o'clock ng umaga at kakarating lang namin dito. Kaya nasabi niya ayaw niyang pumunta dito. Ngayon sabi niya, she wants to go in now. Did you hear the birdie? Alright, I'll close your window now, okay?
Why?
Because you're going to school now, see? Meh, there you go. Later again, okay? Why, knock, why did you want the window down?
Cause it's really sunny.
Because it's very sunny, that's right.
But it's not windy.
It's not windy, correct. Alright, so Mama gonna get you out now?
Yes.
I'm just gonna put my mask on. Say bye-bye, Tita. Tito, see you later.
So later, Tito.
Bye, flying kiss then. Alright, ulit tayo. So, na-drop na natin ang ating Ate Paris. And, meron lang akong pinick up. Nakikita nyo na ngayon kung ano. So, pinick up ko tong mga wooden hangers, guys. Nakita ko to siya sa Facebook Marketplace. And 11 pieces for $5. So, approximately 50 cents each. Ayan. Kasi kailangan ko ng mga hangers sa bahay. Gusto kong mga ganito kasi neat tingnan. At yeah, nagandahan lang ako. And also, ano lang siya, 3 minutes away from Paris' school. Kaya pinick up ko na. Pero aalis na rin ako straight ngayon. Kasi 'di ba ang ating baby Celine ay nandun kay Daddy. Pero I haven't heard anything from Daddy naman, so I'm assuming they are doing well. It makes me feel happy, guys, na ano kasi first time kong iniwan si baby Celine kay Daddy Mike nang ganito. Yung first time kong i-drop si baby Paris by myself. And yeah, it makes me feel good na parang nagagawa ko yung parang a bit normal na, bumabalik yung normal na bitaw na ginagawa ko kasi before, because baby Celine keeps crying and yeah, I have to be constantly with her, ganun, para ialagaan siya. So it's good to know that, you know, Daddy Mike can handle her now. Yung hindi na kami masyadong nag-aalala talaga na parang ano siya, parang maglasong si baby Celine. So That's good. I'm happy about that. Yeah, first time ko talaga tong gawin, guys. Naiwan siya. But my head, my heart, like, sinasabi na uwi na ako para baka ano na nangyari kay Baby Celine, kay Daddy Mike. But, yeah, no, I trust Daddy Mike, guys. And, pag hindi ako nakarinig kay Daddy Mike, then it means they're okay. So, relax lang. Guys, don't judge me, okay? Magda-drive-thru tayo sa McDonald's. Drive-thru. Ating camera ay pagkiay-kiay ba? Wala kasing holder tong ano guys sa sasakyan. Gutom si Mami. Order tayo ng cheeseburger. Bili siguro ako ng ano no. Yung para dito ba, para hindi mag-move ang ating camera. Meron kay ano, kay Sister Ray's. Sister. Kasi palagi sila sa sasakyan pag nagbo-vlog ba.
What can I get?
Hi, can I please get a double cheeseburger?
Large double cheeseburger meal?
Yes, please. Coke for a drink.
Coke for drink. Anything else?
Actually, do you have apple pie?
Yes, we do.
Yes, okay. I'll grab one as well. Thank you.
Anything else for today?
That's all. Thanks a lot. Ang ating car is very, what's the word for that one, guys? Yun bang konting ano lang, kahit malayo pa siya sa curb, konting kibot lang, ay bip 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 na. Cautious? Cautious ba yan? Is that the right word? Okay. Ayan, bip 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 na naman.
Hi, $12.95.
Saan? Just make sure it goes through. All good. Thank you. Yan na naman. Sobrang layo ko pa ba?
Double cheeseburger?
Yes, thank you.
And there's Coke for you.
Thanks a lot. Alright, let us go home and see Baby Celine. How's your walk? Good? Guys, ito lang siya.
That's right.
Very comfortable.
That's why I take her out so she's not like past the 2 hours in a minute.
Okay. Ay, dali ko din pala eh. Tingnan niyo siya. Ay, sure, Daddy, careful the nose.
Sorry, it's not a good. This hat's hot. I had to keep always pulling it. From a land down under.
Very nice day.
Yes.
Yay, baby girl. Sus, big girl naman. Ay, big girl naman. Uy, gagawin mo, Daddy. Okay.
How's
Si
Paris?
Amo? Yeah, she's good.
Happy?
Always.
Sure, met you at the door. Who met you at the door?
Kathy. Gonna take her out.
She loves her walks.
Yes. Well done, Daddy.
Thank you.
Take her out now.
A few moments later.
Ayun, kakagising lang ang baby girl. Time check na. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And because nilapag ni Mami sa kanyang bassinet, ay nagising. Now, we're gonna have a bath? Are we gonna have a bath? Oh, okay, sweetheart. It's okay, big girl. It's okay, big girl. What's that sound? What's that sound? Peekaboo! Peekaboo! It's alright. Mama's gonna get your bath ready. We're gonna have a bath. Huh? Oh, you don't like a bath? Eh? Okay, alright. Alright, sweetheart. Alright, sweetie girl. Hello, hello, hello. Ang baby mag-hello. Hinihintay lang namin na mag-cool down ang tubig. Buti pa si Daddy nakapag-shower na.
Morning.
Good morning? Huh? Good morning?
Tico.
Chinek ko sa, bathroom ba? Yung tubig. Hala, sobrang init pa kanina pa man yun. Nilagyan ko, ng cold water para mas madali. Yay! Para makapag-bath na to. And then, before DD time. And then we can go for a walk before we pick up at the Paris. Oh, shush! Oh, shush! Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Tignan niyo, medyo na-clear na yung, Oh, shush! What was that? Ew! Was that your voice? I love your voice. I love your voice. You say something to mommy? Say something to mommy? Huh? Medyo na-clear na yung cradle cup niya sa kanyang nuuhan, oh, di ba? Nak, no? Pinabayaan lang ba? Natural. El natural. Are you excited for your bath? Are you excited for your bath, Miss Lynn Ray Mackenzie? Lulu, skip to my loo. Lulu, skip to my loo. Wait na lang tayo mga siguro at least 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Oh, God. Time check, mga people. It's now 4:30 ng hapon and kakagising lang ng ating baby si Nin.
Yeah.
So after ng bath kanina, nagdede, nakatulog. Wow, what a life. What a life. At ngayon ay ang kanyang daddy ay nag-work pala yan, no. Oh, shush. Uudot yata to. Ugot-ugot man. So we're getting ready because soon we are going to pick up who? Who are we picking up? Ate? Ate? Paris. Ate Paris. Oh. We're picking up Ate Paris soon. Tingnan niyo ang kanyang suot, guys. I really thought na sobrang laki nito sa kanya ba. Pinasuot ko. Hala, kasyang-kasya naman. Kasyang-kasya naman. Hala, to ara lagi. Oh.
Okay, in that section there.
Did you hear that, tita and tito? Kaya pala she's been pushing. Did that feel better, Nak? Feel better? Woof, woof. Feel better. That's okay. Well done, sweetheart. Well done for pooping, Baba. So proud of you. So proud of you for pushing. For sure that makes you feel better. It means makes Mama feel better too because you're not crying. Hello. Can you see your face? Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
even if it wasn't in doubt, like he still closed it
Oh.
prematurely.
Nangga man mama ay.
Considering
A few moments later.
Hello. Hi, ate.
Here.
Hello.
Hi, I eat orange.
Give me a kiss, babe. Give me a kiss. Where's your jacket, man?
It's in my bag.
Okay. Did you get wet?
No,
Okay.
I think I got wet.
Can I have a bite,
Olaf.
please?
Olaf knows.
Oh, look. Can I have a bite, please? One. Say hi to Babysitting. Thank
Hi,
you.
baby.
Chiki chiki.
The wake up.
Can I sit down, baby?
Because it doesn't so we can go. I miss you. I miss you.
Hello, I'm missing.
Guess it na to. We're going home.
Clara's been eating orange because she's got orange all over her teeth and her shirt.
What did Daddy say, nak? Naunsa naman na imong buhok, nak? What did Daddy say, Baba? You go to school?
2 weeks.
2 weeks?
2.
It is. I think Daddy means... I think what Daddy meant was you go to school 2 days in 1 week.
1 week?
Yeah.
That's not good.
Hmm?
That's not good.
Huh?
That's not good.
Nak, Chinese ka, nak, o Australian? Hindi kita maintindihan. Uy! Ayun na, nak, dirty na. Nandito kami sa Asian shop. What have you got there, Paris?
What's his face? Oh yeah, cone.
It's not corn, it's wafers.
Waitress.
Yeah,
And there's a tape.
that's right.
I like it.
Ito,
But they not chips.
yes. Bili lang ng snacks ba? Wala kasing pag-snack sa bahay. What is it, nak? Oh, this
It's
peanuts
wafer.
nice. Can you get this peanuts, nak?
Yes, I like it.
Here? Yeah. Wanna carry for me? Thank you. Are you okay?
Yes, that's a little bit too much. That's way far too much.
What did you say?
Way too much.
Be, look at mommy. What did you say?
Too much.
What did you say?
3 days are too much.
Oh, it's too much, you said? Okay, we can go now. It's too much. We just have to get the
Mom, can you hold these?
noodles for...
Hold this too.
I'm gonna get this one. We'll get the noodles for Daddy.
Here's some needles.
Noodles.
Maybe these ones. These are yum.
Which one?
These ones. These are yum.
Have you tried it before?
Yeah, I tried this before.
Yeah, borit na.
I like these.
Borit. Hindi mo pa rin siya.
No, I'm just gonna choose one. I'm just choosing the top. I'm choosing my candy.
You're choosing your candy?
Yes, my candy.
Oh, don't go far away from Mama, nak. You have to wait for Mama, please.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay, good girl.
Okay. That's
Okay.
silly Billy.
You're silly. Oh,